Alex, Red Mark. Here you go, boys.
What the heck?
Open it up. Open up your Christmas gifts, boys.
Oh!
Open it up, boys.
Yo!
Where's Matt?
Yo, you're doing that.
Level.
Yo, I love this. This is really good.
Wait, so down a yes from y'all? Down a yes? Yes? Alright, bro.
Oh, happy, bro.
Let's go, man. Let's go, man.
This is dope, man.
Yo, I need my guys here, bro.
Where's Regis's one?
Regis, yeah. I got a quick question for you, alright? I got you a little Christmas gift. Hold on. But it's for when you get here, okay? And it's a question. It's a question. Yes. You got it. Yes, sir. What do you say, man? Yeah or no? Okay. So.
Oh man, I will be ready.
Okay.
How many left?
I have 3 more. 3 more left out of the 7. I don't think we just
Regis,
can
will you be
route.
a good man?
What do you say? What do you want?
Here you go. Merry Christmas. I got a little Christmas gift for everybody. So it's like.
Jeez. I'm taking this right now. Yo, let's do this, bro.
I got one over here.
Sick, bro. Thanks, man.
Yeah?
I'm honored, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Of course,
sir.
man. Thank you.
Yeah, so we got 5 out of the 7. We're missing the 2. We're missing 2 more.
Who could come?
No, they're coming, but they're
Oh.
coming late. So what did you tell you, man?
Right here, moving. Like from the jump, I had.
Wait, you guys have to open it at the same time. Michelle, Andrew,
Oh, wow.
you guys are my boys.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
Yo, Adam, what the heck?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Drew is here.
That's crazy.
Oh, wow. Look at.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man.
That's nice. Open it up.
Oh,
Open
yo,
it up.
look.
Open it up, baby.
Oh, I got it. Yeah.
Whoa,
Damn.
last these 2. Oh, man.
Got you, boys.
What's up, D?
So I'll be up front. Alex and Matt.
Sure.
Okay, Regis here. Okay.